welcome back to OCD Detailing channel. In this video I'll be restoring this leather seat. It comes from some old Volkswagen Transporter. As you can see, it's in pretty bad condition. First thing I have to do with it is give it a good clean. For cleaning the leather, I'm going to use obviously the Colourlock strong leather cleaner. I'll just refill the foamer. And I will clean half of the seat just to show you the power of this product. So now we can see the difference that good cleaning made on the seat. So now I'll finish off the cleaning the rest of the seat and I'll go to the next stage then. So the seat is clean now, and I can do the second stage, which is sanding. For start, I will use this sanding pad. It's about 300 grade, especially in the places where there's lots of creases. I want to smooth it down, so there'll be less filler needed in those places. So the seat is cleaned and sanded so far. I'm going to degrease it now. I'm gonna just blow the dust first. And for degreasing I will use Colourlock GLD solvent cleaner. There's two stains that they look like ink or something, so I try to remove them with this product as well. I go deeply. So the seat is cleaned, sanded, degreased. Now I will have to dry it. So the seat is very dry now after a few going overs with the heat gun, and now I'm going to apply filler on it. To fix the creases and marks and any imperfections there, I'm going to use Colourlock leather filler. This filler dries naturally. It takes about half an hour to fully set. So I'm gonna finish off this whole seat and then leave it for at least half an hour, maybe 1 hour or 1 hour. So the filler is set now, it's ready for sanding. I'm going to use 600 grade sanding pad and just smooth it down. Now just to remove the last bits of those, I'm going to use the GLD solvent cleaner. This will degrease it as well. Now just quick wipe. The seat is now fully prepped. Filler is smooth. I will warm it up a little bit and then I will spray it. this is the result after spraying the seat. Now all I have to do is spray top coat, but I will leave it for a few hours before I apply the top coat. So I'm on the last part of this job. All I have to do now is spray top coat. So this is the final result. So that's everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video itself and the transformation I achieved on this leather seat. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe my channel. If you have any questions about leather or anything related with Colourlock, comment below, and see you on the next one.